free Kenji, new legendary brawlers, QR codes which I will show you, and Brawl Stars new update, right? The latest update here. So we have to update, so just go to Play Store or App Store and update your Brawl Stars right now. And the best thing is here that players can obtain the new legendary brawlers Kenji for free by saving credit in the Brawl Pass until his official release. So if you don't have the Brawl Pass, you don't have any way to get the Kenji. Right, so this is very important. The strategy is to switch to Kenji when he become available, similar to previous brawler which we know like Mo, and several YouTube videos which you will show where you can get the QR codes. But I will show you. I will give you some of the links which is available in the description here, and these are always a free gifts and everything. So if I just go to the XP here, I mean much more game I play here, right? I will go get more and more XP. So here I got rare item. You can call this as a mystery box here, and 100 coins and everything. If I have a brawler pass, then I can just get it from here, and I can just get it for this much, whatever it cost, right? And this is really interesting, right? So let's just go to here. Okay, so I have some QR codes which I can show you up, guys. So let's say this is I have saved this up, and here some of the links, right, which you will find. So let's say we will just visit this link here and let it click on claim reward. You will be redirected back to the Brawl Stars here, and then you can get the Brawl Stars reward. And here it's saying, do you want to claim your reward now? I will just go and click on claim. So generally I face this kind of error, but in your case you can get, because I've already utilized this claim for my account, right? So this is it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.